Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the Private Banking Forum. Just doing my live journal here. It's currently 25 past 10 Eastern Time. Just going to explain what I did here this morning, where I approached the S&P 500. So first off, what I was looking at is we opened up in a bullish scenario. So if we opened up here, I was looking for a test down to my support and then a rally. I mean, I was kind of homing in on this 62 level, but I was also looking at this double top area here at this 64 area. I mean, the 64 area did line up better with yesterday's Globex high, along with today's developing Vwap, which looked a little bit better on the 30-minute bars. Also, we had the top of last week's value here at 63.50. So. This was an area to keep an eye on, so I was either going to get short from this 64 area, or I was going to wait for it to come down to the developing value area low, and this week leave developing value area high, and establish a short here. With what I see coming in on the footprint off the open, we see some nice cluster volume here. We traded down a little bit lower, and we had some nice excess develop here, and I jumped on board here. So this made sense to me. With the situation in the market, and I was prepared to be wrong in this scenario. So this is a screenshot of what I did at the time. I mean, so I was looking for a stop inside yesterday's value and a target area 70. I mean, at the minute the current all-time highs are at or RTH are at 70.50. So I mean, until we break this level, this is a brick wall above us, and I mean, this market could have rallied through this with great conviction today. We just, I was just looking to target this high. It made sense to me. I mean, if we had broke out, then I might have looked to buy a pullback at the edge of value or something. But regards to market structure at the minute, I mean, this is what I was looking to do. So what I did was, like I said, is I just got long, I got fully scaled, and I targeted the 70. I mean, we came up and hit my target, and I didn't get filled, and I just basically closed the position. You can see here that we came exactly up to 1770, and we see sellers responding here, and the market's been pretty much selling delta since. So it's just what I'm looking at the minute, and this is what I did approaching this market today. So at the minute, I'm probably just going to be sitting on hands. I mean, I've got a nice sort of 9 points on that move this morning, so just see what happens here. I mean, we could. I mean, it's very early still. It's only 10:30, and we could easily break out higher today. But just with regards to this this scenario this morning, this is what I was looking to do. So anyway, I'll keep you posted on what I continue to see here. We've got crude oil inventories out in the next 10 seconds. So it'll be interesting to watch this unfold live here. So I might just keep this recording going for another couple of minutes here. So yeah, crude inventories are out, and we've seen a buy response here up to the weekly value area high. So let's see if we can see responsive selling now, or if this market's just going to continue to tear up higher here. Anyway, I'll continue to keep you posted on what I see develop here. Okay, it's currently 11:15 Eastern Time. Just a quick update here. I've just established a new long position here from this 60.75 area. I mean, we've sold off sharply down now into this week's developing value, and we just tested the Vwap and yesterday's value area high. So just expecting some two-way trade here in this market now. I mean, we've established a nice range, and I'm expecting two-way trade and possibly a high into the close now. We'll see what happens, but I mean, we came down and tested my key support area that I was looking at, and we're seeing we saw buyers respond here. So I'm looking to see this excess hold in D period, and just two-way trade established from the 62s up to the 70 area. So I'm fully scaled now. I've got both my targets filled here, so I'm just managing a core position. My stop is below this this volume point of control and TPO point of control here. Sort of just this sort of ledge area at 58.50. So we'll see what happens here. But like I said, I'm just expecting two-way trade. We've got a nice elongated profile in a minute, but we have established a nice range here for the day. One thing to take note of is we have seen a push of the initial balance here and a test of the first IB extension. I mean, if this market cannot trade back into the initial balance now, then I'll just have to flatten this position. I mean, also we're seeing this market out of the current developing value here. So if we can't see traders buying this back up into value and outside of yesterday's range, then it's another heads up that this trade might not work out the way I wanted it to. So, but at the minute it does look like we're coming back into value here. But again, I said if we see another rotation down away from the developing value area here, then it's just a heads up that this market might be starting to see a imbalance to the downside. Also, we're also back in this week's developing value now. So again, if we come up and test this value area higher and we don't see a follow through here, then we could see a potential rotation down to the developing value area low. So just keeping my options open here, but I do think that we will see two-way trade in this current range that we have established here. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on what I continue to see develop here, and I'll let you know how I manage this trade. Okay, just a quick update here. So we have seen responsive buying back into today's value, but just keeping a real close eye here on this week's developing value area high. I mean, we've seen this come back into value here, and we see buyers respond off of Vwap, off this week's Vwap. But I mean, if we can't see buyers respond here and push higher above the developing value area higher, then we're most likely going to see the other side of value tested here at 56s. Okay, just a quick update here. It's currently sort of 8 minutes to 1 o'clock. Just looking to target the developing value area high here. I'm about 4.25 points into this trade now. I've got stuff to do tonight, so I don't want to sit here until the close. But so I'm just looking to see the developing value area high test at 67s and just take my position off here. So we'll see what happens here now. This is my plan. Let's see if I can get my target filled. Just an update here. It's 3:30, so we're nearly into the close. It's been a pretty long day here, so still just trying to get this target filled at 57s at the developing value area high here. So I'm just waiting patiently to get this target filled. So pretty confident we're gonna see this filled here. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, well, it got close enough for me, so I just closed it out here at 66.25. So when we came up and pretty much tested my target, but we just we didn't see the follow through up here, and so I just closed it, just closed it in this area. So it's good enough for me. Bit of a long patient trade here, but it worked out in the end. Just going to do a little quick overview of the markets today. So with crude. We've seen a nice bounce here. I did say yesterday I was looking for a bounce to the sort of 96 area, so we came up to here. What did we get today? 95.30 we came to today, so getting there slowly. Still expecting some more downside here, but I was just expecting some profit taking and a retracement sort of in this area. So interesting to see what happens here. And we've got 3 open gaps now as this market's been selling off down here, so I mean we might come up and close this gap out and then continue to sell off here from the 96s. So now I have one more look at the euro, and then we'll call that a day. The euro was looking pretty bullish this morning. I mean, we've came in on the euro now, we've sold off from these highs, and we're finding support at this current support area where we found buyers, and if we continue to hold this area, then I'm expecting another pullback up here, and we'll see what happens with this current euro situation. Regards the higher time frames, I mean we're still rejecting last month's value, so I mean if we can't find any value in last month, then we're obviously going to continue to sell off here. But you can just clearly see two-way trade balance for this week on this week's Vwap, so be interesting to see how this works the rest of the week. I mean, regards this sell-off from the highs, I've got a Midas Vwap pegged from this, and we've seen a sharp sell-off, and value's just caught up, and we've seen a pullback to value here. So we'll see what happens tomorrow if we're gonna keep rejecting this value here, or we see a mean reversion to this current inventory Vwap. So anyway, I hope you had a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care. Cheers. Bye.